Procedural languages explained. In simple words. What does procedural language mean? A procedural programming language is a language where programs are written as a set of step-by-step instructions, procedures, that tell the computer exactly what to do. It is called procedural because the program is built using procedures, also called functions or routines. In simple words, procedural language equals step-by-step programming language. It means a procedural language is based on procedures, functions, follows step-by-step execution, focuses on what to do and how to do it, uses instructions in sequence, divides a big problem into smaller tasks. So, procedural language equals instructions plus order plus logic. Example idea. Take two numbers, add them, print the result. This is procedural thinking. Do this means then this. Why it matters. Without procedural languages, cross-mark programs would be confusing. Cross-mark no structure in code. Cross-mark hard to debug. Cross-mark hard to reuse code. Cross-mark hard to learn programming. With procedural languages, checkmark programs are organized. Checkmark logic is clear. Checkmark errors are easier to find. Checkmark code can be reused. Checkmark easy for beginners. Real-life examples of procedural languages. Common procedural languages. C. Pascal. Fortran. Basic. They are used for system programs, scientific calculations, small and medium software, embedded systems, utility programs. How procedural languages work. Step by step. You write instructions. Down pointing arrow. Group them into procedures. Down pointing arrow. Program runs from top to bottom. Down pointing arrow. Each procedure runs when called. Flow. Write means group means call means execute. Features of procedural languages. Procedural languages use functions or procedures. Follow sequence. Order. Support loops. Support conditions. If, else. Use variables. Easy to trace logic. Structured programming. They focus on process and logic. Types of tasks done using procedural languages. Procedural languages are used for mathematical programs, data processing, file handling, simple games, system utilities, automation scripts, comparison with other language types. Procedural language. Focus on steps. Uses functions. Logic-first approach. Easier than low-level. Object-oriented language. Focus on objects. Uses classes. Data-first approach. More complex. So, procedural equals steps. OOP equals objects. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often write all code in one place. Don't use functions. Forget order of steps. Repeat same code. Mix logic randomly. These happen because procedures are not used properly. Good practices in procedural programming. Checkmark break program into small functions. Checkmark write clear steps. Checkmark use meaningful names. Checkmark avoid repeating code. Checkmark test each procedure. Checkmark keep logic simple. Real-life analogy. Procedural language is like a cooking recipe. Cooking recipe steps. Cut vegetables. Heat oil. Add spices. Cook food. Computer program. Read input. Process data. Show output. So, recipe equals procedure. Program equals procedure. Important point. A procedural language works step by step, uses procedures, is easy to understand, is good for logic-based problems, is foundation of programming. Without procedural languages, crossmark no structured programs, crossmark no clear flow, crossmark hard to maintain code, crossmark hard to debug. Simple definition. Procedural language equals a programming language that uses step-by-step instructions and procedures to Solve problems. Summary. Procedural languages. Checkmark follow step-by-step logic. Checkmark use functions. Checkmark are easy to learn. Checkmark are structured. Checkmark are widely used. Without procedural languages, crossmark programs would be messy. Crossmark logic would be unclear. Crossmark learning programming would be hard. With procedural languages, checkmark programs are organized. Checkmark logic is easy to follow. Checkmark beginners can learn easily. Checkmark problems are solved step by step.